Here, now we'll be going to do day and night. What do you mean by you will change the day and night? See, a student, do you know how the day and nights are caused? Let we discuss about day and night. See, here you have a bulb and your earth. It is a globe, okay? Here, this is a bulb is nothing but your sun. Bulb is nothing but your sun. The sun has, when the rays is falling to this right here like this, through this part is represented as a day. When it start to rotate, that backside portion it becomes night. That is appearance of a day and night. The rotation of earth causes day and night. Half of the earth is always facing the sun and other half of is extremely away from the sun. When it is away from the sun, it is represented as a night. The part of the earth which faces the sun as in day. You know the path of the sun means this is a path of the sun which this will be represented path of the sun. This part of the sun is represented as a day. The part which is away from the sun does not get sunlight. It does not get sunlight. So the part is dark and has a night. So as the sun rotates, the side of the earth which is the darkness gradually comes to the face of the sun. At that time it will be becomes daytime. So usually you will be sleeping at by it will be dark when it is the sunlight goes to other part of the earth. So when it become dark, that time it is the darkness is refers to the light, and when we getting day, it is the light towards the earth. It is represented as a day. The side which has a day is known as dark, and has a night is known as the light which has a known as a night. How it is rotation caused by day and night. Now going to the next one, it is revolution. What is that? Revolution. While rotating on its axis, the earth always goes around the sun. So, yes, student, you will be having a rotation of an axis. This is a rotation of the axis. This keyboard rotating along goes around the sun. The movement of the earth is called as revolution. So this earth will be moving around the sun is called as revolution. Earth follows a fixed path. Earth will be following a fixed path. That brings his journey around the sun. That brings his journey around the sun. That path is called as an orbit. This path is around the sun is called as an orbit. See, a student, here it will be started to revolve around, keep on revolving, it moves like this. That is called as an revolution. The movement of the earth is called as an revolution. Okay. Then what happens here? The earth it start moving to a definite path. This path is represented as an orbit. This path is represented as an orbit. The earth follows a fixed path that is called a journey around the sun. We call as a journey around the sun. So that makes 306. That makes earth will be path is called as an orbit. The earth takes about 365 days to complete one revolution. I told no before 365 days. So 365 and half quarter days. Actually, it is not half. It is a quarter days. Okay. The 365 days plus quarter days required to complete one revolution. This period of 365 days is called an year. It is called as an year. The revolution of earth causes changes in the season. When it is a revolution, that time it changes season. Okay, you have to know that rotation is keep on moving like this spinning top. Spinning in the same position is called rotation. Revolution means the earth rotates around the sun is called the earth started to revolve. The movement of the earth we call as an revolution. The earth has a revolution and rotation, and it has an fixed, it has an rotating on its own axis, and it has a fixed path. That path is called as an orbit. It takes about 365 and quarter days to complete a one path of a rotation. That is called as an year. That we call it as an year, and that we represent as an year. And the earth changes its positions, changes its revolutions, and coming here to one season, year, one season, year, one season, year, one season. Keep on changing to one season to another season. For example, you have a spring season here, here will become winter, here summer, here rainy. So it changes the seasons, okay, and you have autumn, like that it has it changes the seasons. So earth, when earth revolves, depending upon the direction of the sun, the seasons will be changing. So now till what we have studied means what is about earth, how what's the shape of the earth, how many planets we have. In a first one we have a solar system. In solar system sun is the main thing, and we have 8 planets. And the earth is what is the shape of the earth, and it is a round, and we are observed from this trial, like the earth revolves through the sheep in such a way that sheep will be observed. First the lower part will be disappear and the upper part will be then disappeared. And in the earth has a, you have 70% of water, and it has only the moderate temperature where the human being, the leaves, animals, plants and all will be adopted on the earth. And we have here earth has a movement of the earth. The earth moves all the time, but we can't feel it. We can't feel it. So the earth will be moving all the time. We can't feel it. We can't feel it because we are traveling through the same way. So we can't feel the earth is revolving. So in this we have two types: rotation and revolution. Rotation is nothing but a spinning the top on the same path, the spinning the top on the same path with its own axis. It is the imaginary line is called an axis. The spinning of the earth on its own axis is called a rotation. Unlike the axis of the spinning, which is upright and it is tilted, the spins in the clockwise directions, that is west to east. And not only that, it causes day and night. When the direction of the sun falls on the earth, it is represented as a day. When the direction of the sun falls on the backside of the earth, that time it is represented as a day. When the direction falls here, this part we represent as a day, and another part is represented as a night. Here we go. That is when the sun is on mainly in this direction, it falls on the one part of the earth. That part is represented as a day. The other part represents as the darkness. The darkness is represented as a night. And one more thing, we have a revolution. Revolution is nothing but the sun's rotating and revolving around the sun. It starts to rotate like this and revolving around the sun. It is called as an revolution. That the movement of the earth is represented as an revolution. It's about has an own path. That path is represented in orbit. It's take about 365 days to complete one revolution. That period is called as an year, and it changes a season. Next we'll be continuing the other thing, that is the moon.